Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the inequality 4i minus 7 is greater than or equal to 1. We will go step by step to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality 4i minus 7 is greater than or equal to 1, we need to isolate the variable I. To begin, we will perform operations to both sides of the inequality to undo the subtraction of 7 from 4i. First, add 7 to both sides of the inequality to balance it. This step is crucial because adding 7 to negative 7 will cancel out the minus 7 on the left side, leaving us with just 4i. So, the inequality 4i minus 7 is greater than or equal to 1 becomes 4i minus 7 plus 7 is greater than or equal to 1 plus 7. Simplifying both sides, we get 4i is greater than or equal to 8. Next, we need to isolate the variable I by removing the coefficient that is with I. In this case, the coefficient is 4. To do this, divide both sides of the inequality by 4 to keep the inequality balanced. So we have 4i divided by 4 is greater than or equal to 8 divided by 4. When we do this, the 4's on the left side cancel out, leaving us with just I. This simplifies to I is greater than or equal to 2. This is the final step of the inequality, and the solution to the problem in inequality form is I is greater than or equal to 2. In interval notation, the solution is written as opening square bracket 2 comma infinity, closing parenthesis. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.